When you are locked out of the device, it is a very bad thing. But the good news is that we have multiple effective ways to unlock your iPhone without password. Now, you can try any method to bypass iPhone screen lock with no need to enter the passcode. Method 1. How to unlock iPhone without passcode via iOS Unlocker. There are a couple of methods to get into your locked iPhone if you forget the password, but using a professional iPhone unlocking tool like iOS Unlocker has been proven to be the most reliable method. Steps: how to unlock iPhone passcode using iOS Unlocker. Install iOS Unlocker, pick Unlock section, connect iPhone via USB, choose Unlock iOS screen. Follow on-screen steps for recovery mode, confirm iPhone info, download firmware, unlock now to remove passcode. Passcode removed in minutes. Method 2. How to unlock iPhone without password using iTunes. Connect iPhone to synced computer. Wait for iTunes to detect. Back up. If asked for password, try another synced PC. If no password prompt, pick Restore iPhone in summary. Wait for restore, then reset password. Method 3. How to get into iPhone without passcode by recovery mode. Connect iPhone to computer, open iTunes. Enter recovery mode varies by model. iTunes shows problem pop-up. Click Restore. iTunes downloads. Install software. After, iPhone unlocked. Set up device. Method 4. How to unlock iPhone without knowing the password by Siri. Activate Siri with home button. Ask, what time is it? Click clock icon. Touch timer at bottom right. Set timer for 10 seconds. Tap when timer ends. If buy more tones appears, tap for unlock. Method 5. How to open iPhone without password via Find My iPhone. Visit iCloud.com. Log in. Choose Find My iPhone. Select your iPhone. Click Erase iPhone. Wait. Data and password removed.